Hi, this is part 2 of buying a new car. I have streamlined the process a little bit, and I promise you this is going to be very quick process without using TrueCar or some other like Edmunds system to send emails to dealers. We basically going to be using them just to get the average pricing of your particular car make and model. And then you're going to be sending some emails, very short emails to dealers, internet sales department managers or contacts, and ask them for the lowest price before tax and fees and things like that. So I show you how very quickly. So first thing you're going to be doing is to get an average price sold in your zip code. For example, you can use TrueCar website to get the idea of what is the average price sold for your particular make and model. I'm going to be using 2018 Honda Accord LX. So let's get started. You go to shop new, go to Honda. I'm going to be picking Accord sedan, and then I'm going to be putting your zip code or your zip code. This will give a very accurate price of vehicle sold in your zip code area from dealers. That's what TrueCar sort of saying, you know, they're actually going to be using actual invoice prices, you know, that they gather from dealers. So it should be fairly accurate. And from my experience, it's fairly accurate. Click next. Okay, right here, as you can see, you're gonna be seeing, okay, you're gonna see the MSRP, this one here. That's pretty much the same for this particular model, you know, sold in USA, 24,460. Every dealer had the same MSRP kind of standard, but nobody paid that much, right? And then TrueCar tell you that there's an estimate saving of 3,281. So you subtract that from 24,460 and you get the TrueCar average of 21,179. Okay, so you have 21,179 approximately, and that is with 3,200 or so saving of MSRP that you should be expecting. So next, we're gonna be keep that number in mind, 21,179, and then we're gonna be emailing dealers and wait maybe, you know, an hour or two. They might call you. You know, you don't have to answer the phone, but you can. If you don't answer the phone, they will probably email you their quotes. Okay, so let's go next, step 2. So like I say, you're gonna be emailing a few local dealers, email to their internet sales department. You can get their email or contact number from, you know, from their website, or you can do a live chat with them. So for example, let me show you. I will go to one of the dealer here. So let's go to Metro Honda. And then okay, Montclair. And all of the dealers now have a chat, a live chat. So it can help you right away. As you can see here, there's a live chat here. So you can ask them for, you know, what is your internet sales department manager email? I'm interested in buying this car, you know, whatever, and like to get the quote. And they'll give you the contact, you know, email or phone number. But I prefer the email. So once they responded to you, with the official quote, then for among other dealers, and you can pick yours, okay? And then you can pick the lowest and then go to that particular dealer. You might want to call them first and find out if they have the car that you're looking for, and will there be any additional cost, just to confirm that you're not interested in any additional options. Now if they do have options, you want to ask them. Sometimes they say that they have the dealer install option that you need to buy, but they might charge you like $900, for a few items, which is not good for you. So you might have to do some on the phone, confirmation or negotiation that, like, you can say, hey, I only want to pay $400 for that. I'm not going to pay, $900 or whatnot. So let's go to the next step, which is, okay, so you can just using the same email and just copy and paste to and send them to different dealers, internet sales department, right? Like I say here, and you put in the model number and things like that here. Exactly. If you have color, then put the color there too. And and once I did that, I got this quote. Actually, do not use TRUECARE email system. Like I said, just do the email by yourself directly to dealers. Okay, so you don't have to actually absorb the cost of TRUECARE marketing, building your price. $300 or so. Dealer gonna pass that to you. So do not use TRUECARE, in my experience. Okay, it is just from my experience. Some of the people might have better experience, and that's fine. So this is what I got from one of the dealers, and seems to be the lowest quote. Okay, so let me show you. So basically this guy is saying that your net price will be 20,664. Very good. This is below 21,179, right? So definitely did caught my eyes. And also they also have college graduate discount. And actually last week I bought a car for my daughter, so we had $500 off. And then if you're in military, then there's another 500. Okay, and that come to the net price. If all apply, you need to show them, whatever diploma or degree or whatever. Let's say college graduate, you need to show them, actually get a copy of your degree to show them to get $500. And then your final net price will be around 19,664. Okay, so that is very good. Now most of the dealers will tell you that price valid for only 72 hours. And then, okay, this is a trick here. They will add all of the they will say plus this net price will plus tax, finance charges, document fees, and it does not include any dealer install options. This is the big one, because a lot of dealers will try to add this to your price, and they will tell you that you need to buy them because they already installed on the car, or all the cars, like mud shields, floor mats, trunk layer mat or whatnot, and those cost about, maybe $300, okay, from the dealer, but they're going to be charging you like $900. And that's what happened to me. I could have walked from the dealer, but it actually increased my price by almost $1,000, from this price. Okay, but so you want to make sure that they don't install anything on your car. And if you like the price, let's say you like this price, which is very good, then like I say, you might want to talk to them to see that they have the car that you want. Okay, must qualify for all rebates and incentives. So they want to see the proof, like I say, like your copy of your college degree and things like that, or your military ID and things like that. Okay. So what I'm saying here is that do not use TRUECARE to send emails out. You just basically go to TRUECARE to get the price, the average price, which is the 21,179, right, from previous step. So this is what I'm saying here. We don't want to pay for a TRUECARE marketing fee that the dealer gonna be passing to you. Okay, this is very crucial step. So you know that your lowest price is about 20,000 or 19,000 or whatnot. I'm just using 20,000, okay, before tax, license, and things like that. So you want to figure out with your down payment, okay, minus down payment and closing costs. This is just estimate, depend on your tax rate and things like that. Okay, so let's say 20,000 is the dealer quote, the lowest quote that you like. So basically, after the closing and minus your down payment, if you're gonna put down payment, you should have the final, estimate, final out of the door price that you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be paying, right? So in my case, it's close to 20,000. So basically, it pretty close to the dealer quote, 20,000. And with that, you're gonna need, I'll explain why, to figure out what will be your monthly payment. Now you might not know exactly what your interest rate is, but in my case, let's say I put 3% just to be conservative. My monthly payment will be $359. Now when you go to the dealer, they might give you the price, the final price and everything, or they might say, hey, this will be your, I'm assuming you're gonna be financing. This will be your monthly payment, $359 or something close to that. If the dealer come pretty close to that, that meant that they're using your figures. Your figures are very close to the dealer. Okay, so that's one way to tell by monthly payment or their whatever final out of the door price. Okay. So what I'm saying here is, this is how to double check your number. If the dealer number is way off or higher, and most of the time it will be higher, right? Then you know that they added something to it that you might not know, or they'll tell you, or they might say they got to add it to you. So that can be an issue during negotiation. But if it's too much, you can walk away and or at the same time, okay, take a break. Do not say anything. Now, if you have multiple people with you, tell them that pick one person who's going to be doing the tough negotiation, okay? Do not let anybody else chime in, because if other people, kind of cave in, then the dealer know that you want the car, and that's what happened to us. I think my daughter kind of cave in, because they have you waited for a while. But with my technique here, I think you can be in and out within 2 hours. So if you don't like the number, call from that dealer, call the second or third dealer and ask them to match. You can forward them the email that you got, or or take picture of the price that this dealer give you. Just take the picture and then email it to them, and take your time, and if they agree with the lowest price that you want without additional cost that this current dealer is trying to impose to you, then you can go to the second dealer or the third dealer. So always have a second or third dealer as a backup plan, okay? And again, that's another topic, but you don't need to get like for Hondas are a very good car. You don't need to buy extended warranty, in my experience, and that's like $1,000. So you don't need that. You save that money in the bank. They might say that, hey, the new car has complicated computer technology and they need to be updated by the dealer. I don't think so. I mean with 3 years or 36,000 miles, between 3 years, during 3-year time, you will know right away if the computer has having problem, and I don't think so. I think that the Honda car will make sure that their car is very reliable as they should be, So I think that's about it. So basically, like I say, email to the dealers, go to TRUECARE to get the average price so you have better idea. And if your final net price is below, maybe $500 below or $1,000 below TRUECARE, you have a great deal, because TRUECARE average is pretty accurate. Because I got actually other dealers that I have price quotes, they are right around 21 something, 21,000 something. So because this is based on true I guess net prices that people pay at the dealers from TrueCARE. So these represent the real numbers, and they are pretty accurate. So again, if a dealer gives you a lowest estimate or lowest net price below 21,179, you know, like 500 below, that is pretty good, or 1,000 below, you know, make sure you call them and, you know, make sure they don't add anything to it, like, you know, dealer install option, be sure. And then you might even have them reiterate, send you another email with the, you know, saying that they don't add any option to it. So this is your absolute net price and it's the lowest, and you can go from there and tell them you're going to go there and close the deal, and I'm not going to be getting any more, you know, extended warranty and things like that. I just want to get a basic package or whatnot. You're not going to be getting security system. If you wish you can, it's going to cost you about $800 or so, you know, security system, or, you know, more painting or coating to the paint, or tire protection, things like that. Or even they might try to add insurance to it, like, you know, collision insurance during the 30-day or whatnot, if that happens. So make sure that they don't tell them you don't need any other options, just the basic, and you're just going to go there and close the deal and come out with 2 hours. And you can ask them for, you know, for picture of the car, just to make sure the car is there before you go, because you're pretty serious when you decided which dealer you're going to go. So hope it helps, and let me know how it goes. Thank you. I think this is very useful, and we'll talk to you guys again. Bye for now. And subscribe if you like my video, or a thumb up. I appreciate it. Thank you.